Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to the virtual session of Science Children. Here we are going to continue with the chapter Acid, Bases and Salts part 8. We are going to see NCERT exemplar. These are the question answer picked from the textbook. You need not write it in your notebook, children. You just go through the video, make a note in your notebook of the session that it's a revision for you for the NCERT exemplar. You can go through the session as per your need. So make a note of today's session NCERT exemplar done. So now here you have multiple choice questions. Question 1. The correct way of making a solution of acid in water is to, you have learned this because you have to take some precautions while making a solution of acid in water, because the reaction is exothermic. So add water to acid, add acid to water, make acid and water simultaneously, add water to acid in a shallow container. So you know that you have to take precaution. Correct option B. The correct way of making a solution of acid in water is to add acid to water, because it is an exothermic reaction and large amount of heat is produced if water is added to acid directly. So you have to gradually add acid to water. As the correct way of making solution is acid in water to add, and gradually you have to do. I hope you understood this. Question 2. Products of neutralization reactions are always an acid and a base, an acid and a salt and water, a salt and a base. So you have learned about the neutralization reaction. Very simple. Salt and water always produced during neutralization process. Here one example, sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid gives you NaCl and water. These are some simple examples of neutralization we have learned. Then question 3. Turmeric is a natural indicator. On adding its paste to acid and base separately, which colors would you be observed? So now you have learned about the natural indicator, the color changes you have learned. You should be able to do this very easily. First one, yellow in both acid and base, yellow in acid and red in base, pink in acid and yellow in base, red in acid and blue in base. So you should know the correct answer. Turmeric paste is yellow in color, so it remains yellow in acid and changes its color to red in a base. Always, like in soap solution, or you just take a little amount of soap in your hand and sprinkle some turmeric powder. It will turn red, because soap will have a base. Soap always is a basic in nature, so it will turn turmeric powder red, and turmeric powder, it will remain yellow in acid. Then you have question 4. Phenolphthalein is a synthetic indicator and its color is acidic and basic solutions respectively are. So you should know phenolphthalein is a very good indicator for a base. That much you know, then you can do this. First option red and blue, blue and red next pink and colorless, colorless and pink. So the you have to show the color change in acidic and basic solution. Let us see basic solution, it will turn pink. It's a very good test it gives with the base. So phenolphthaleins remain colorless in acidic solution and turns pink in basic solution. That is your option D. Um, Question 5. When the soil is too basic, plants do not grow well in it. To improve its quality, what must be added to the soil? Organic matter, quick lime, slake lime, calamine solution. So you have learned about the neutralization in everyday life you have seen, and you know you require appropriate amount of acidic substance or a basic substance in soil. Soil should be neutral, more or less, as you all know. To improve its quality, what must be added to the soil? If it is too basic, so if it is too basic, that will also hamper the growth of the plant. So let us see the correct answer: organic matter. To basic to neutralize the base and improve its quality, because organic matter will release acids, because it will go for decomposition and release acid, which will neutralize the basic effect of the soil. I hope this is very clear, children. Then question number 6. Litmus, a natural dye, is an extract of which of the following? We have already discussed in the previous session. You all know the answer, children. China rose, that is Goodall. Beetroot, lichen, blueberries, that is Jamuri. So it's a natural dye. It's obtained from lichen. So that option C is correct. Litmus, a natural dye used as an indicator, is extracted from lichen, and it gives a very good color change in acid and base. And you should know the color change we have discussed. Question number 7. Neutralization reaction is a physical and reversible change. First of all, neutralization, acid and base, when they react, they neutralize each other. Like hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide, they will form NaCl and water. That means they will neutralize each other and they will form a neutral salt. NaCl and water is neutral. So it's a physical and reversible. Physical change that cannot be reversed. Chemical and reversible change. Chemical change that cannot be reversed. So you should know what type of change it is. Neutralization is a chemical and irreversible change, because where example HCl and NOH, when they react, they give sodium chloride and water. That means they already reacted, and cannot reverse the process. It is irreversible change. You will not get hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide back if you want. And it is a chemical change, because the new substance sodium chloride is formed. Salt and water form are new products and cannot be converted back to acid and a base. Simple example we have discussed. Question 8. A solution changes the color of turmeric indicator from yellow to red. The solution is. Now this type of question can appear where the color change is given to you. You need to find the nature of the solution. Is basic, acidic, neutral, either neutral or acidic. So you need to find it out. Solution changes the color of the term from yellow to red. Which type of solution will change the color? As you know, basic solution change the color of the turmeric indicator from yellow to red. So option A is correct. Then you have question 9. Which of the following set of substances contain acids? Grapes, lime water, vinegar, soap, curd, milk of magnesia, curd, vinegar. Can you think about this, children? Which of the following setups contains acids? So you have learned about the acids, you learn about the bases. Let us see the correct answer. Curd and vinegar contains lactic acid and acetic acid. Curd contains lactic acid and vinegar contains acetic acid. That is, you consume, you add in food for flavor and to give a tangy taste. So curd, that is again sarin taste, vinegar sarin taste. They both contain lactic acid respectively. I hope this is very clear with you, children. Now question 10. On adding phenolphthalein indicator to colorless solution, no change is observed. What is the nature of this solution? Now no change is observed. Nature of the solution, I told you, phenolphthalein is a very good indicator to show the presence of a base, whereas with acid it will not show any change, or with a neutral substance it will not show any change. So what is the nature of this solution? Basic, either acidic or basic, either acidic or neutral, either basic or neutral. So it is not showing any color change. So what type of solution it is? Color of the phenolphthalein does not change with acidic or neutral solution. Therefore the option C is correct. That means here you see it's either acidic or a neutral substance. I hope this is very clear with you, children. Which of the following is an acid base indicator? Both. Which of the following is vinegar, lime water, turmeric or baking soda? We have learned about the indicator, very simple. Turmeric is an acid base indicator. It is yellow in acidic and red in basic solution. It's all about the indicator, simple ones we have already learned. Let us see a few short answer type questions. Look at the given reaction. Hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide, that is base, will react to give sodium chloride, that is salt, plus water. So sodium chloride form in this reaction remain in the solution form. Can we get solid sodium chloride from this solution? Suggest a method if any. So when you are reacting this, you get sodium chloride, which the solution remains colorless. But sodium chloride is there in the test tube. Can you get it back? Can you suggest a method? Sodium chloride is soluble in water. Hence, a solution of the sodium chloride in water is formed. It is colorless. You will see that because sodium chloride dissolve in water, you will see the solution will not have some residue. It will show color, but sodium chloride will be there. So sodium chloride can be separated from this by evaporation. Very simple. Your sodium chloride is the common salt, can easily recover by evaporation method. So just an application question, children. I hope you understood. Now assignment for you. You have to go through this true or false, and you have to find the answers and write in your notebook. So you have to state true or false. You have to write the statement and you have to state whether true or false. We are going to discuss in the upcoming session this true or false. First one, all substances are either acidic or basic. A compound, if acidic, will turn all indicators red. Next, lime water turns red litmus blue. Next, common salt dissolved in water turns blue litmus red. Next, phenolphthalein is a natural indicator. Next, calamine can be used to treat end string or end bites. Or lemon water is basic in nature. So all these true or false, you have to correct the false statement also. So state the following statements are true or false. I have to correct the false statements. Will be your assignment, children. You have to write down this in your notebook. Thank you, children. I hope it's an interesting session for you. MCQs are always very interesting and very simple to understand. Thank you and have a wonderful day.